For 65 years and beyond, Ghana Senior High School, Tamale, affectionately known as Ghanasco, has stood as a pillar of discipline, excellence, and national service. From these grounds have emerged leaders, professionals, and patriots who continue to shape Ghana and the world. Yet today, this proud institution faces a silent but growing threat, one that cannot be solved by the school alone. Beyond the classrooms and dormitories, along sections of the school's fenced wall, a troubling reality has taken roots. Breaches in the wall have turned parts of Ghanasco's boundary into unauthorized entry points. These openings are being misused. They have become dumping grounds for refuse, open toilets for the public, and in some instances, hideouts for nefarious activities, including drug peddling and other acts that endanger lives.
I am Mr. Hussein Shamsuddin, the HOD of HIPES, that's Health, Physical Education, Recreation and Sports. I'm also in charge of the school security. Today we are going around just to uncover what is happening within our school premises. We've just gotten to a place around the New Life Hospital where the wood sellers and then those who are selling the fowls, the livestock, you can see that almost everywhere is full of rubbish. When we got here, a lot of people were running away because they were defecating around, and they are not students. That is how people come in to defecate. Have you seen the rubbish around? They dump all their rubbish. Preparing the guinea fowls and other things, they come inside and dump the rubbish. There is no house around here. This is not the cuckoo part. So there is no house. We didn't even expect any interference, but look at what is happening. We just finished the wall and painted everything, and they have pushed down part of it just for them to have access to the campus and come and defecate, dump rubbish, and then do whatever they want, even smoking around here. Look at how people are defecating. So we are making an appeal, passionate appeal to opinion leaders, chiefs, whoever is concerned, stakeholders, to help us. When you complain, then they say that those who left here, that the school has produced a lot of great men, but there wasn't anything like wall. Why is it that today we want wall? But people have forgotten that the students of yesteryears are not students of today. Today, look at how they are taking drugs. They don't go to class. Imagine a student who is a boarding student will sleep in the boarding house, wake up, bath, and then go and sit under a tree, refusing to go to class. When masters chase them, then they run out of the campus. Now we create the wall, and then people also create an exit for them. When you chase them, unknowingly, you think that you get them, you follow them, and they will pass through the exit and leave the campus, which is very bad. So we are making a passionate appeal. People should help us. We are training tomorrow, future leaders of tomorrow, those who will be in charge when the elders are no more. So if they are into drugs, if they don't attend classes, imagine the kind of future leaders we are going to produce tomorrow. So we are appealing to everybody, help us. We are not building it for any malice or to prevent anybody from, but if you have no business on this campus, what do you want here? There are a lot of places you can pass without passing through the campus, but people will not understand. So the security service, the chiefs, opinion leader, everybody, they should try and help us to keep this menace. Thank you very much.
Skuru pambratina da mumontaza o zamba yi sambani kachele ama on yi pema on lorba sambani ma o kwele bombe lo shalma na abina na ko farna ta songna ta pema na donen biya shalma na abina ma ta jani ko kwele na abina o bombe shalma na akpa o malmalle ko valli ta san son saharu wo hanu zan nyama yi ama tun biyar shalma tun tar na bace nama bina ma ka utan varna ta mal songna ta ma yo ka tiyan su amba songta de moma zar tunar ci Allah yam sa'ar bula an gwa kumur ke mana gwa fi na ta far bula ma songda de baban nan bizama nyala na dinye barna zantiti o bema gbabshi kumur ke wona kulli an yarla ka ben beni mane ka dir ben dira kan yura kan umma ma da'arun wa ma sabiyan dan shati be dan to tunwal ne ka pambili na sonti dan shal de barna yiti tin parla shukuru ma zal dama na ta'antiri nan ka tirkan yar luna kula to ayan bala mashi ta parla shukuru ma zal zo ti to ti premier la kontire asan zal ne kam nana no shonti adum mo ma za karchi gurman min ta pashin ma shoy ma ra yi aya in kuma tun ku dual kan yi ma ma da ban da ba yoba na jani karnan yeyel mo so to shukuru pam ma ban pam ma pam zo da buwe da buwe biel ma mi yar shama da na bi bana tu te pashin ma di pala salonum sambanum pambin tumtunu to kon ko tu fa valma pamma skul pamma ni karambani bambe kema so kammu mo targa dum pasha ma do wumte di pasalon tumtum ti yara sambani no asana abi beki wa abi ka kwenwo shukuru won zamati so kam bin yar no gwamnati bana tanan binin yala ka gwamnati bi bu champi tanan be ne ti yanse ne ti ban tanan chanda nama kanan du'a so tani bu ta'ale kare zane de be fin yala tan shal tanan yan ko hayi to surum ni so kam ma tamtunu
ma ngon yergo yulbon mi sabla kanye agar karachi kurle ntum la tuma salga de sigyum pishi kati yidi manan laban ye kargante non yum piya ka chonrtamen ka kanante shi ku kona tangbanne nyamen gana asko ko gon ma ko bagla taba to zoma tun sharan tumnu ma kyoma kan fan bi tuman balama la la zo son mami te baku ko na o zo son ba anan nan to te ban shamnyeme shukuru ma ganas ko dinya ko na baku ko na o shukuru ba o susu kum shukuru ma fukum sigba gargana tangban so da tangban na karshiya karatu kamata ne kaman yab ko na zagashan on non shukuru ma on ma pense la zagama on ma fukum sene hal karban ma kan ye kai to shan ban non shukuru ma shin ya to shan non shukuru ma karbutu kamata ko to kana ta jini kabol masan ma ta yaba ngongongo kanya da ban kamata malmiya da sai o mal de fukum se o lamma fukum se ka ku konum non ye to shan shukuru ma ne o mulki ma non shan ye to shan shukuru ma ne ko yina ta karle da ba fiya kama tun bahar sar shukuru ma ne da ban kamata kama kyan kuma se o ko ku ware campus puna kyen te bahsar ka ba ban na sarka ka wala ka tan yan non la kye taban ba halin ba ku kona mai ko to bisu ko suhur na won ni shukuru ma dai yihim warana kama dan yihi jom ma mino parna ka to kurbu ka ta shan te to ma dezo tan na mazara ni shukuru ma hanya ngun ko nyala ngun ji pyongo kanya dagbana ayila kargana kan yona ayila sablugona ayila nena ta zahaban ba gana zahaban ba tannan ban sharan nan ka shi kursu ma kara do wursa nan vo ganda ka nan vo ganda ma ta kubuka ta ci shi kurwa ka kubuka ta ci kuku ko kwa shaltan malngoma da kala shi suka bi ta yina shukuru ma ti na oi kuko ka shukuru da be kan karam kuko ne mi ma ko ko ne san za shi shi ne ko ma non ne nan kam ka kuko ko ko ngi ka fure dozo te non ya za na la bin yara ma ka so na won tim shukuru ma ka shukuru ma zo ka wo san vo zore kaman dan pun wo sama banda jin shi shi dan ba ma parlementaire banda yi gana sko ban vo pia nte pa gyon president mino parso ka za yi shukuru ma na amfana wala ka shukuru ma blan yi na do ngolongo ma wo tem ne tin hitan shenwa tan ban bi kuko te yina te gbon kwanje pa te ba kuko na men wurshe na zo ka non bi yan shem ka shukuru ma man chantu na kama den kenwo te za mbora nge fo comme ça non le foma ten diele mo fo na be ngo so ksalan kare yi ko shere da to gbanye tun shedan tun ma karam nya fan zan tete sa لا أنفع نزات التانية تزون كم ذا هذا الملدي فروال بين يرلن يتوات أتلا هي تنباتما
Ganas ko nyela secondary school du zo karle dembe ti tamal ya alwona sukuru nyela den yini vo kara ne bandebna ka chen son de mande ti tungban wo ya musra sukuru yo dila de yumpe yobna no kyo silmin sine bonde shale 65th anniversary la din da wuri pamma ne di ko zan chan ban sambo hambo polo kaniro pam da di shahra zan chan ganas ko pamma zan chan ti tungban wo lebgan simpolo ay di nyanga ayoba za bi anyala dan nam sukuru ngo ya shanga dan ba go ne shale ban men galila garnye go galge za ta tar inzan ti sukuru kamba ma ne vo shabu yina ndaru goma wolora ka kedna tum de don ko tum sukuru ma pune dinye be kedna ti dam gra bangira an par sar bahara ka chan la hazan do lo sha le va bon jinde inur vare ka dirti biere la la binawo min sar shale bun par bahara sukuru nyala pensere tirka nyet dorte nche ka sabta ka sukuruma ya shanga
Mr. Fasini Shamsuddin HOD Zanti Hypers Department Health Physical Education Recreation and Sports man la hanama in charge of sukuruma security etwa so to gorma kare to gomama no shandan dalu he na ramba dalu he ato gonta kana wa pulumana zan labe New Life Laboratory pulumana bala sarma ya be pierna ta bahre bula ala le hanye de yulma ban chipchiwe gomama ka shinshe koma zuwar pierna alle ya alon ma tammiya mangar za palan bal wa za kuran ka be chiwe dundwal to ban miri yala amma ma le hanye dundwal ma na chiwe sarma ni ka be pierna ta bahre sarma momi za ka za avyal bala ka tizan kamera no gilka so kam za hanya dem yel mosra shal dem malte sukuru titi yinan titi yele kar kunya yeye ka shab zan kom ya to azan ka kom ma nyele banjira sa'ar bahabu ne nirbu bor swel ne bagar kadina ku pena nti zanan kal nirbu gar ko gabante pena kar nye kom bem pa nirba yob nirba anu ama sa'ar min banjira ma min ngonu ngoma denen yae so to won duniya za nyele min ka ban ganas ku tum be fitina shel ne ban dara to goma ma lu hirshan
ko bien nyela besko pum la jima ko karmo ka tamma kanama so bi bikele ngwa yema ban samba tamma shukuru to na kanya ba program ban kyan shukuru ama ban na kanama karmo ka kanama to shedu ko mangati non sham ka bikele jima a chiri nyela ka ban shinu ban samba tamma danwa dan bakyan
kana ce bun karna pyon nyer dina ka bahar sa'ar ba karaba buta ne kyonwa bun tu me ya ka kabnye tuma sukuru kabin la sanle be be bun kana sukuru ne bun mamma abutu bor bukata ya la henya
be nya be biala yi fa biar biar ma no ba yim den o se samala nya te bisal to chang shukuru sa bian wa shukuru je le pan yel so do tu ne sinon me shadam butu shukurma ti dir la shukunyar sang sampam shukurma ti je shukurma dan fan pam ka shukurma ba dir dan fan so do to ne yeto abiar tamane shukurma susu man kuma yeto asheram balama
alle shukurma ba pil kar da mai goma dan min yeti yel mosuma da ma min yel ka so yel ne shukurma ra ka gone ne kan yirba kana ta karan yi kyanwo ti za karan mai yi kyanwo na kar yi pamban yi president namna ne zunga ka tabwar no gone biane be mi tamne sahashale zaman ne ta'arma banda wubsir bishop ma zunga ka bana braba vana tima zunga be van latima ka kunya bi ne be shukurin biyar shukurun wandi shukurun ka biane ko shukom enchanti jiti maham be enchanti jimu almashi be nyelo shal ka za class piabo dra kane so dipa timi banye ben zanga shab be ma titi shab amana ma inin ka te kar aku damba ban jilo shama be gurmuti dama gono kane denen nyeren yelren non gon ma ri tabari pa shele gon ma min tay ko to la hayira den yeten no tami ku no la kar dara luhra no ten kana lo shel pulma ka ku ko pulma ba ko yakati ama lehma ten ku kana ban dabanjira kana ce sar shangaran do kyanwo kanir bi pierna ka ba zam bi yara til de kuna barjira ka bar pierna un wana won zaha New Life shi ma mbala yil ka pion so dan ba tu bandar zay bandar min gon ma de mal yel mo sar la shele ko ali ko polo ma de zamanu kom ama ali ngona yil ka kwen so kaswel no dwel ngo polo kwena bo da bilin ka banan da tabo nan ka ko hara no ka ko hara pini min bin yara banan be kwen ngo so ndi be tihane ban mal bukata shal to gon wopun kar se ben dar la gon ma lora so di zoti yal mo so le shal dem mal tambala ata famna ne so kamnya kullu sa'ara ne ban charna bina damlo to kammi ko behma ben dir kyon ma bi ka ta damdir banjira ma bin biyar ka zuha guble kana ta gubbe ben dira ma ka ba dile dole nyal no kolara ni yana biya kam hal yung tuso mane ni to ku joy kurga yin ka ko bi ka la ka ta zon chan puni nyu ane durubun ku kuhur shalma karmi pergal puni ma ku chan titi ci non wanya shahara ai ku zama chan tiyar da'are to a zan su ku tira wani damga ma karnyala kolera to ambala kar zahab yishal pahlala da'ar shanga dan non wama ruka ta shuhur sulu asu asan zalnama tangnanama gwamnati pamba su kam shabbi ka kyanwo ka shabbi be kyanwo de zo ame bo mi dan shan to na bi ka kwe zo ama dan shala bi te bi a yanga ne te biane so ro tunu be le sonte ka ta ta'yal no ma dan shal zo.
This is not just about a broken wall. This is about the safety of thousands of young students entrusted to our care. The stench of refuse and human waste poses serious health risks. The presence of drugs threatens discipline, morality, and the future of our youth. And the ease of unauthorized access compromises the security of the entire school. A learning environment cannot thrive under fear. Education cannot flourish where danger lurks at the gate. We respectfully call on the Ghana Police Service, the Metropolitan Security Agencies, and all allied institutions. Partner with Ghana School. Your presence deters crime. Your patrols save lives. Your support strengthens trust. We ask for increased surveillance, regular patrols, and decisive action against criminal activities around the school perimeter.